Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a to-do list in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have prepared my Google Sheets and I have prepared my data as well. And we're going to make a to-do list by this data. And if we want to make a to-do list, we can select this column like this, and we're going to put a checkbox to this column. So after we selecting the column like this, we can click on data right here, then choose data validation, and click on add row. And on the criteria right here, you can click on this button. Then you can scroll your screen until you find checkbox. It's right here, guys. Just click on it. Then the checkbox has been added to this column, so we're going to put conditional formatting to this column. After we selecting the column like this, we can click on format option right here, then choose conditional formatting, and on this format rules, we can choose custom formula is. Then I'm going to write the formula right here. I'm going to write A3 equal true. I put A3 to this formula because the to-do list is in a cell. So I'm putting A3 cell. And I'm going to choose this drag through. Then after that, we can click on done. All right, and right after we click on the checkbox, this to-do list will be crossed out like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a to-do list in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.